I don't want to live in a world which is just ruined.
Of course it worries me.
At the moment, I think I'm alright.
It's really nerve-wracking sometimes.
I get so frustrated.
Global warming does really worry me because I saw in a news article it's now like 11 or 12ish years until we can't go back on the damage we've done to the earth so far. There is a lot more flooding and the ice caps are melting and like really high pollution. It's really prominent and it's really scary actually because I don't want to live in a world which is just ruined.
I have a thing called phobia, which is a phobia of tornadoes. But luckily England doesn't have tornadoes. I know that I'm safe, but if I ever travel on holiday where there is tornadoes, I will be scared. The weather that I don't really enjoy is like thunderstorms and things. Like I have a dog and it's a tough time for dogs. I don't like the noise and things like that, so I don't really enjoy that. But flooding isn't like too big of a deal for me. We do get like a large amount of rain, but I'm not too worried that I'm gonna wake up and it's up to my window with water. Obviously if that did, that would worry me, but at the moment I think I'm alright.
I wouldn't want it to affect me or my home or my family or friends or literally anyone. And the thing is, it's something that we can actually decrease the risk of happening, but instead it's actually increasing, and that's not really something we really want.
Firstly, I hate rain. Second, I hate thunder. And when you mix those two together, it makes my life annoying, because especially when I go to school, it's horrible. I can guarantee like nobody likes the weather, even the teachers doesn't like the weather. So let's just say I hate extreme weather.
Definitely does worry me, especially for like my generation. We're the ones who are gonna grow up and have to live in a world which has this kind of climate.
I do live at the top of a hill, so it's much easier, so it won't get flooded, so I'll be fine. But the school lives at the bottom of like a hill, so it's gonna may get flooded, but that means we'll get to miss school, which is good.
Of course it worries me. Luckily I live in a town called Budworth, which is in the middle of the UK, so I rarely get floods or extreme snow or anything. But because I have families like in places that do get like really bad floods and really bad snowstorms, I do really worry. You have more sun coming, which means we can have like a 3-month heat wave, and that does really worry me because I'm allergic to it.
The effects of climate change and seeing it in such a real thing is really nerve-wracking sometimes.
I get so frustrated with the fact that yes, we may be doing a few things to help stop and prevent it, but I don't think we're doing enough by the events that have happened recently, especially with weather, extreme weather. And on the news today there was about houses collapsing, etc. And people are shocked and like, oh my gosh, panicking about it. So if that is shocking you, just that little bit of infrastructure falling down, think of how bad and severe it's going to get.
Yes, it can at times when you know what could happen or what's happened around you. Like the other week when it was raining really bad and places around me were flooded. Yes, that was quite worrying and I knew it could happen to me, but luckily it didn't. And at the minute it's really nice and hot and sunny, which is good. Like there's a few clouds, but it's mostly blue sky, which I'm really happy with, and I love like the sun. But extreme weather, like thunder really loud, can worry me because I know what could happen.
Yes, because it shows the global and local effects of climate change and therefore the harm humans have caused to the environment. And I think that's really, really bad because there's a plastic island in the Pacific Ocean already. The severe flooding is scary because it shows how badly we as a society cope with such terrible events, but also our strength and our willpower in saving others and helping people. But I'm terrified this could happen to me, and I think the world needs to wake up to the reality of climate change and the climate crisis.
Climate change is increasingly damaging the Earth, and our generation is the last generation that can save the Earth from dying too soon.